In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple time zones in your Google Calendar. If you work with teams across different parts of the world or just want to stay organized amidst various schedules, knowing how to display multiple time zones can be incredibly useful. So, let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Google. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to type in Google Calendar into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results, usually with Google Calendar right at the top because it's such a popular tool. Clicking that link will take you directly to Google Calendar. You might already be using Google Calendar regularly, but for those who haven't set it up yet, it's a free tool that's really handy for keeping track of appointments. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, look towards the top right of your screen to find a little gear icon, which represents settings. Give that a click. Clicking the gear icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on the word Settings. This will direct you to a new page where you can configure various options for your calendar. Within the Settings menu, you'll find several tabs on the left side of the page. Look for the Time Zone tab and click on it. This is where you can set your primary and secondary time zones that will be displayed on your calendar. Now look for the checkbox that says Display Secondary Time Zone. Go ahead and select it. This option allows you to have more than one time zone visible, which is great if you frequently schedule meetings with people in other parts of the world. Next, you'll choose the time zones you want to display. There's a convenient drop-down list that lets you pick from a range of different time zones. For this example, let's label them PH for the Filipino time zone and US for the United States time zone. This labeling is especially useful if you're alternating between two locations or if your work often involves colleagues in another time zone. Finally, once you've chosen these settings, your calendar will now show events in both time zones simultaneously. You'll be able to see at a glance what time it is in both your local area and in the secondary location you've chosen, ensuring you never double book or miss a meeting because of time zone confusion. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Google Calendar to display two time zones at once. This feature is a game changer for those who are working remotely with international teams or even just family members abroad. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your schedule better.